So yes, good day guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we will be learning how to download and install OBS Studio right here on your Windows or PC. So go ahead to open your Chrome application here in my OBS Studio, and what I'm going to be doing here is to be searching OBS Studio download. So you can just search for OBS Studio download right here on your Chrome, and you can go ahead to open the first website as you can see right here on the screen. So go ahead to open the official OBS Studio website, and you can see this. You can decide to download for your Windows, Apple, whatever device you are using. So I'm using my operating system Windows 11 or Windows operating system. So I'll go ahead to click on the download installer. So this is what I'm going to click on, and it's going to refer me to a website where the download is going to automatically start. So once you're done downloading, just go ahead to open the application here and run it. So what next to do is to click on next. Next, you see the install button there, then click on install. You can decide to choose where your folder is going to be placed at the end. So I'm just going to put this in my videos to make my videos come or align well and have it so I don't have to search for this. Then click on next and install. So I have a very brief problem here, and how I have to fix it is by restarting my PC. So after restarting my PC, I got the issue solved. So this is my OBS Studio installed on my system, and can go ahead to the settings to quickly run the settings. So just leave everything as they are here in the general section, or try to tweak up some things to make it match what you actually really do want. Then the appearance, everything should look like this on the screen. Then your stream should just be like this. You don't need to set more. I'll be doing a video on how to set up your stream here. And the next thing is the output, and audio should not be too much, and can decide to go ahead with the audio input. Like for example, this should be either default as your speaker, your PC speaker, or if you have a microphone, you can use any of those. So that is about it for audio section. Then the video, you can leave the resolution to be like this. I like mine like this, so no too much settings here. Choose whatever you want, and the FPS should be 60. Then for your hotkeys, they are like the shortcuts you can actually use right here on your OBS Studio. So I've set mine for my start recording and stop recording. So I basically don't need to come to OBS Studio to click on start recording. And as you can see, it's there, it's Ctrl plus R. So off OBS Studio, I can decide to press Ctrl plus R, and it's going to start recording. And to end it, pressing the same thing works. So go ahead to your accessibilities, not too much settings here, and the advanced, not too much settings here. So this is how to start up and set up your OBS Studio, and just go ahead and start streaming. Why not like and subscribe to my YouTube channel? Thank you very much.